Electric Universe eyes, and I'm on my way out of San Antonio. I'm on the same freeway. I'm on the other side. I passed by this area. It's going down the slope in elevation, and look at this. I think this is actually the natural formation of this rock. All of these little natural holes in here, right? Check this out. There's that charge density layer again that I made a video about last night, and it's got this nice flintstone here. Look at this, and it's rounded, right? It's almost like a nodule. There's another one right there. There's a half of a one. See how far down that goes? That looks like it actually goes in. Check this out. Yeah, look at that. So you can see how it's formed on the inside. It looks like this is, if this was actually the very edge of how this formation was made, and this chunk is broken off, again, this just seems like where this charge layer was escaping or coming out. I don't really know. I don't really know. I'm just speculating at this point. But check out this. It's all rounded almost like an egg. And all of this limestone rock here, it looks like the electrical experiments I do, to where the fingers, we call them fingers of electricity, just etch out that rock. This is actually the section that caught my eye. And here. It's almost a full nodule there. There you go. And then you can see it ends right here. And you can see that same line come all the way over. Just one little lonely guy, and then a couple others right here. As this just goes down, and you can see there's the slope of the hill. So, oh, here you go. Look at that. You can see the pinching action right there. That reminds me of, I think it's Waterfall Trail in Arizona that I did a video on about a year and a half ago. And that pinches all together and kind of arches up like that. So that's pretty fantastic stuff. Really nice to see this stuff exposed. Alright, so I'm back home in my laboratory and brought a few samples back with me. This is the concretion that I pulled out of that wall at the very first when it was dark. This one also came from that, but I'm going to come back to this one. This was on the opposite side of the freeway. And what I thought was really cool about this is just the different colors and the layering scheme that you see here. It almost looks as if it begins right here. You can also check this part out. You can see the separation and the pattern that it left. What I thought was really cool here, I noticed, was this little portion kind of going this way and almost matching this little shape. So that was pretty cool. And then the last thing I wanted to show you was this. This came off the same side as this that night. And what I noticed here after looking at it is, if you can, here, let's see if I can focus a little better. Alright, so check this out. Look at this. Inside this little nodule piece. Come on, focus. Alright. I'm going to have to put it down and zoom in. Get the light on it real good. Alright, so do you notice anything funny about that? There is a separation in there where this was formed. It's almost like a plasmoid focus to me. And it appears to be the same material all the way through. It does get different there on this layer, but the circle here and seeing that little crystallized component kind of come out in a spiral paired with this movement here. So I think the reason this broke out this way is because this area was somewhat hollow. And you can see on that side, and then that's real obvious on this side as well. That's cool. So anyway, again, I think that's how this charge was moving through this rock, and this is just a very small scale example of the very large cross sections that I was showing you in the wall. So this would be possibly an entry or an exit point of just a little fractal filament coming off of that big charge while this event was taking place, crystallizing those layers. So, all right, just wanted to show you that. Coming soon. Something I was playing around with the other day, so I'll do a few things there. Anyway, thanks for hanging out again.